Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fight Night Champion on RPCS3. First, you'll need to download the emulator from its official website. Once you have the emulator, acquire the PlayStation 3 firmware file. Install this firmware within the RPCS3 application to get started. Don't forget to configure your game controller for the best experience, ensuring smooth gameplay from the very beginning. Now that RPCS3 is set up, it's time to get the game. You'll need to acquire the Fight Night Champion game file. Once you have it, extract the game files into a designated folder on your computer. Then, simply add this game directory to RPCS3 game list. Make sure the game is in a compatible format for the emulator to recognize it properly. To get the best experience, optimizing RPCS3 settings is crucial. Adjust the CPU settings for better performance, often favoring a higher thread count. Select a suitable GPU renderer, like Vulkan, for modern graphics cards. Enable specific audio output options to avoid sound issues. Also, experiment with different resolution scales, perhaps starting at 150%, to find a balance between visuals and frame rate. If you encounter any issues, remember to update RPCS3 regularly, as developers frequently release performance fixes. Check online forums and communities for specific Fight Night Champion issues, as many solutions are already documented. Always verify your system meets the minimum requirements for smooth emulation. With these steps, you'll be ready to enjoy playing Fight Night Champion on RPCS3.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.